welcome to my channel. I'm Pritha. So I got few messages from students who will be going to UK asking what they should pack. So this is what I'm going to take. I'm in my final year now, so my packing may be really different, but I have made few points for freshers who are traveling to UK or any other specific city or country abroad to study, especially Indian students. So I study in Nottingham Trent University, and in my first year I was very scared. I did not know what to take, and I managed to go totally over the weight that was required for my luggage. I think I was like 30 kgs overweight when I was packing for my first year, so that's why this video may be really helpful. First point, clothing. When you're going to university, especially in the UK, it's going to be really cold, but don't take a lot of outerwear, jackets, coats, blazers from India, because you'll find much more stylish and cheaper also to buy it in UK, and it'll take a lot of space also, jackets, big coats. So don't take one, okay, what you'll wear or something, and you can buy it there. Next is also a point for clothing is I know my friends and all will laugh if I say this, but please take less clothes, because you'll end up buying a lot of clothes there. In a lot of student accommodation there are not big wardrobes, so don't take a lot of clothes because you'll not know where to keep it. The second thing is utensils. So utensils vary. If your student accommodation does not provide you with utensils, don't worry, you can buy it there. It is not some sky high prices. It's very much in an average price that you buy it here or there is the same thing. So don't fill your luggage with utensils. But if you really like cooking Indian food, therefore you need a pressure cooker, then please take a small pressure cooker from India, because it'll be very difficult for you to find it there. Universities and student accommodations provide a rice cooker, so please make sure, like, if they have a rice cooker then it's fine. The third thing is food items. So if you're traveling and especially studying in UK you get everything. All Indian food items are available in any UK market. There will be plenty of Asian grocery shops. Like in Nottingham, I can name a few. There is Sharif and Sons, there's Medina, there's Park Foods. There are a lot of Asiana market. There are a lot of Indian grocery shops. Don't worry about spices and all that. If you're scared, just maybe take small pouches of it, but don't need to like stock it for a year and all, because you get it there, okay? You get everything in UK. I'm mentioning this because I did put all this in my bag in the first year and I found out you get it there. Please, if you're going to UK, then please learn to cook. Or if you don't know to cook, make friends with people who know how to cook. That's what I did. For food items, I will show you mine also, because I'm also gonna take all these snacks. I'm not taking so many clothes, so I will keep all those snacks because I'm a big time junker. I love junk food. So I take small packets of like instant noodles, soup packets, chips, popcorn, and the snacks might be overly priced there, because one packet of chips like blue Lays, you get it for 120 rupees there. Another question that students have asked me are what about bedding and towels and duets, like how do you carry them and all? Don't carry them, guys. It will take the entire space. Don't take it there. You buy it there or here, it's the same thing. There is Primark. For students, it's really good. Please go and you can buy all your beddings and pillows and pillow covers, bed covers, bed sheets, everything from Primark basically, because it's very studently priced also. My mama gave me chaddar also in the first year. When I was in UK before Corona and it started, there was a shortage and scarcity for sanitizers and face masks. Now it is available in UK as of what I've heard, but for safety's sake, please, please, please keep all like gloves, masks, sanitizers, like little for yourself. You know, traveling wise you'll obviously need it when you're going, but even security wise, like just keep it just in case. Another thing, if you're on prescribed medicines, please take the set of medicines along with you, because you don't get certain medicines in UK. So if your doctor in India has given you a prescription with those medicines, please carry it and the prescription along, because they might ask for it. Big bags of food, medicines and clothes also have few. And I have one suitcase. Pritha is traveling. My suitcase is neon green in color. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay, so let's start packing.